Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to actually add music when you're posting multiple photos on Instagram. Let's launch the app and take a look. First thing that you want to do, you want to click the plus sign like a usual post you're gonna do. The small specifications and the individual settings here are that you have to click on the bottom corner where you see the double squares. So you click the double squares, this will let you to select multiple different images. In our case, I am going to select these two images. Next, we're pressing the button on top right corner, next. Now we have the option to actually change the filter, change the vibe. You can make it cooler, warmer, more boost, more warm. But the most important part is on the top of the middle of the screen. You see the note icon. When you press on it, will simply let you to select any song you like to add with your songs. This will simply let you to add any song to the carousel or the multiple photos that you already selected. When you're ready, just press add, and then you can simply move on, clicking next, and you're ready to move to the next step. You have to add caption, of course, this usual post. Pay attention that if you're selling items, you can essentially add additional tags. You can tag products if you have a Facebook page that is associated with the store. Location, here is the music choice. Again, before you click publish or share, you want to make sure that everything is correct. All the hashtags, all the products that are in are tagged, and you can also schedule the post. You don't have to post simultaneously. You have an option to schedule the post, and you have the reminder for a particular time of the day. You can also automatically share the post on Facebook if you toggle this. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and come back for more.